I keep hearing about this equation E equals mc squared. What is it and why does it matter? Mama Llama, what a great question. E equals mc squared might be one of the most, if not the absolute most famous equations out there. Let's dig into it. So, E equals mc squared. First, we have E, which stands for energy, and then we have an equal sign, equivalency. So, energy equals mass times, what color should we use? Let's use green, it's pretty, c squared. So the square, where did my white go, is also a math symbol, so we'll put that in white. So energy equals mass times the speed of light squared. The speed of light squared is just a number. It is a constant. It is kind of our conversion factor for converting mass into energy. But what mass? Well, that's where it gets a little bit tricky. When we talk about the mass in this equation, we got to be really specific. And often we want to say the mass of a single particle or the mass of a collection of particles. So what this equation tells us is that mass can be converted into energy, or mass is another type of energy. This helps us do things like convert atoms into nuclear energy, which is pretty cool. And it also is really interesting because the concept of energy comes up a lot in physics. And really, energy is basically this comparison mechanism. It's a number that allows us to compare the strength or size of different things. So this equation helps us to say, oh, okay, if one particle has more mass than another one, then we know that we could convert that particle into more or less energy. That's pretty much it. What type of energy comes out of this? Well, it's just energy, really, and it really depends on what you do with it. So, for example, in nuclear reactors, we convert the energy in mass into ultimately electrical energy. But you've got to do a little bit of work and some fancy engineering to make that happen. So there you go. Energy equals mass times the speed of light squared. Just be really careful about what mass you're talking about. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.